मैनेजर, इसका मतलब हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते। इसका मतलब कुछ लोग हैं जो बोलते हैं हाउ मेनी गुड्स हैं, ओके, हाउ मेनी वी स्टिल डिपेंड्स। Now let's understand this. You know how to calculate the current ratio? Very simple. Your current assets divided your current liabilities. You know what your current assets are? Inventory is your current asset. Receivables are your current asset. Cash and bank balance is your current asset. Payable, trade payable or creditors is your current liabilities. Bank finance is your current liabilities. Now tell me all of you, as a businessman, what would you like to happen in your business? Would you like your inventories to go up, or would you like your inventories to come down?
Come down.
Everyone?
Yes.
No defense?
Yes.
Very good.
Inventory.
Second question. As a businessman, as the owner of the business, what would you like in your business to happen? Would you like your receivables to go up, or would you like your receivables to go down?
Go down.
Everybody? Anyone who differs? Right? So we are absolutely now on the same page. Okay. I'm sure this time आप थोड़ा सा झटका खाएंगे. As a business, what would you like to happen in your business? Would you like your cash and bank balance to go up, or would you like your cash and bank balance to go down?
Down.
मुझे मालूम था.
Down.
मुझे मालूम था. पर उसकी चर्चा थोड़ी बाद में होगी. Let's come back to the current liabilities. Would you, in your business, would you like your creditor or your current liability or your trade payables? Would you like your trade payables to go up, or would you like your trade payables to go down? Up. And देखो यहाँ, this is where you have to be careful. Right? This is where you have to be careful. This is where you have to be careful, because you are saying that you would like your trade payables to go down, and remember that is where the problem is. Why there is problem? Let me ask another question. As a business, would you like your suppliers to offer you longer credit period or shorter credit period?
Longer.
Everybody?
Yes.
Now please tell me, if your vendor is giving you longer credit period, your payables will go up or will go down? Up. Right? But what some of you said that you would like your payables to go down. Please remember, you would always like that your vendor should give you as long a credit period without making adjustment for the price. Are you with me? Right? Yeah. Okay. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी इन्वेंटरी कम हो, है ना? आप चाहते हैं आपके रिसीवेबल्स कम हो, और थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. आप ये भी चाहते हैं कि आपकी कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस कम हो, जो कि होने चाहिए. प्लीज रिमेंबर, कीपिंग कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस इज अ फाइनेंशियल क्राइम. If you are keeping excess cash in your bank, what it is earning for you? Nothing. So if it is not earning anything from you, why would you like your bank balance to go up? What you should do everything possible to make sure that you deploy those funds in something where you are able to at least earn more, right? And that is why you would also like to your cash and bank balance also to be down. Check your cash and bank balances tomorrow in your company. क्या ऐसा तो नहीं क्या करंट अकाउंट में पैसे पड़े हैं? अगर करंट अकाउंट में पैसे पड़े हैं तो याद रखिए, एक आदमी जो आपको धन्यवाद नहीं दे रहा है जिसको कि देना चाहिए, वो आपका बैंक मैनेजर. Because on your money he is enjoying. Are you with me? Right?
Yes.
And that is bad financial management. Okay. So अब आप चाहते हैं कि इन्वेंटरी कम हो, आप चाहते हैं कि आपके रिसीवेबल्स कम हो, आप चाहते हैं कि आपके कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस भी कम हो, और आप चाहते हैं कि आपके ट्रेड पेबल्स ऊपर हो. अगर आप ये सब चाहते हैं और अगर आप ये सब करेंगे तो आपका करंट रेशियो ऊपर जाएगा कि नीचे जाएगा? अगर आप क्या चाहते हैं, आपका करंट रेशियो ऊपर जाना चाहिए कि नीचे जाना चाहिए? तो ये आदमी ने क्या गुनाह किया भाई कि आप सब लोग बोल रहे थे बैठ जाएंगे? Are you with me? And remember, that is what is working capital management is all about. So what I have discussed with you, 4 things. Number 1, I have discussed with you